And good exercise, I might add. Those ketones better be burning some fat. Alright, so for breakfast this morning at the hotel, I'm having some bacon from down at the kitchen from the hotel, and I made some of my Fage yogurt with the Orchard apple Mio drops, which is amazing. And then I have the hotel coffee with some half and half and my sweet drops that I brought with me. So this is going to be my breakfast. And now it's hailing, and there's like snow on the roof up there. What the heck? Oh my God. Wow.
Lock it.
Well, I guess we're not going to the beach today. Just had a few strawberries, and this is all that's left because I forgot to film it. Got some blue skies, so we're heading towards the beach, but the ocean looks very angry still. Well guys, we got a break in the weather. You can see the storm out there. We got a little break. It's my husband, and we're taking a little walk towards Agate Beach looking for some agates. So that's what we're doing. But this ocean is crazy angry right now. Look at that. My husband back there trying to drown himself. Well, we're gonna go down here towards where there's usually agates. So we are avid rock hounds. We love to collect agates. I have a huge jar of them on my kitchen counter. I'll show you guys sometime. But it's a lot of fun. It's just usually not this stormy here. But I love the coast. Even though it's stormy, it's still a lot of fun. So we're gonna go eat lunch after this. I've got my eyes set on a nice salmon and some veggies, so we'll be doing that, and we'll take you along with us. Stay tuned. We got caught in the storm about 2 miles down the beach, so we are trudging our way back. We have rain gear on at least, but my legs are not dry. Fun times. Oh my gosh, we made it back to the car. I am soaking wet. My legs are like icebergs. They are wet. I don't advise trying to go out onto the beach in the middle of a big old storm.
I'm trying to beat it.
An ice storm. Yeah. Interesting times. So after our beach excursion in the ice storm, I am treating myself to Diet Dr. Cherry, Diet Dr. Pepper Cherry, and some cheese and salami and a soak in the spa tub. Woohoo! Gonna be good. And then we're gonna go to dinner and get that salmon. Yum yum. Alright, so we made it to the restaurant, and I'm starting out with this delicious salad with lots of salt and pepper. And then the best part is the salmon. It was amazing, that beautiful brown caramelized butter on the top there with some garlic and herb butter on the top. It was just amazing. Very, very tender, very juicy, delicious. It wasn't very strong in fish flavor. It was just perfect. And the veggies were great too. So that was our dinner after that terrible hike on the beach. Thanks so much for following us along on our journey, our road trip to the California coast. We've been having a great time, and we are going to be heading home tomorrow. So we'll have a few more clips for our last day here, and it was a lot of fun. We survived the storm.
you.